Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. If you have not subscribed, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and as well hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey baby, guys, what's good, what's popping? So today I'm coming up to you with this kind of a beautiful chocolate brownie chocolate eye look. I'm really into this. Without any further ado, twerking schmacky schmegally, you don't know what to do, just stick around and enjoy. Please let me know your thoughts. We are here together, okay baby girls? So no long talking, as always, don't forget to do what makes you happy. All right, stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take a chop. Mwah. The Essence Super Lasts 24 Hours Eyebrow Pomade Pencil in the shade dark brown. This is how it looks like. This is how pop, this how pop, this how pop, 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 pop. Needing powder because this product, it's really dry, so I don't need powder at all. Okay, and blend my eyebrow into shape. I think we're okay like that. My retechnique brush. We're good. We are good. A little bit of setting powder. Just make it a little bit realistic as much as possible. I will keep doing my brow often on camera until I see that your eyebrow is on point, period. Okay, you need to learn. Practice makes perfect. Now, I'm going to do the up later with my foundation, taking the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer portion, and this one is in original. It has no coverage. It has no coverage, but I'm just going to lay it down for the main base before I go in with concealer. So right now, I love the way it looks like. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Taking this concealer, the one I used to clean my brow bone, right there, and then I go ahead and use the same brush, the one I used to blend my brow bone. I'm just going to dab that all over my lid, basically. Powder. Guys, guess what? I'm going to use my OG by Kylie Jenner. Okay, I'm just going to use OG palette from her because I think this is a perfect eyeshadow palette for this old look. Okay, and this one is the bronze palette. Okay, different bunch of brownish shade right here, and they're super pigment. Okay, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. I'm going to apply that basically all over my eye. Yeah, this orange right here, and I'm taking this BH Cosmetic brush fluffy. So just take a cheap pill, a glass of water to do better, so you can really get exactly where we are driving to. Okay, don't get like twisted. Taking this BH Cosmetic flat buffer brush, and this one is in number 6 chocolate shade right here. Wow. I'm starting on my lower part of my outer V, and then I'm going to transfer my hand upward to my brow bone. You see how I'm doing that? Of eye look I'm going for, because when I use another brush, it's not going to give me that look. It's just going to be a regular eye look, and I am not a regular baby girl. I'm going to switch to a smaller brush, and this one is by e.l.f. darker chocolate, this one right here. I'm dipping it more, as you can see. My goodness, my goodness. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, the first shade. Where is it? This one right here, the edges. I'm not adding any color, I'm just blending out the edges. Okay, I'm taking this shade for my brow bone, of course the lighter shade, and it's matte, so I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. Taking this brush from Louvier, Prime Virgin brush, which is IX. Beautiful dark chocolate. I'm just going to basically blend out the edges of my cut crease. A kind of a dark orange mixed with a brownish shade, this one right here. To go in with the Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner. You guys know the drill. We are done with the eye look. For the meantime, hold on, we ain't done, we ain't going nowhere. So we are going to move straight to our face. We're going to be taking Milk Hydro Primer, like this. My foundation brush, which is by Silver. This one right here, this one is called Buffer 104. Naked foundation, in this one is in 70 VR, which is dark natural, and this one is infallible 24 hours, and this one is a Sienna, which is 355. Just apply a little bit right there so we can clean our eyebrow. Ain't got no time to blend today, so I gotta use my foundation, period. Standing out, standing time, yes. My Real Technique sponge. This face, baby girl, a moment. L'Oreal Mercier bronze powder in bronze number 4. Taking this Jessup powder brush 106. I'm just going to darker shade and a lighter shade, which the darker shade is the darker shade, where is the number? The darker shade is Trophy, and this one is Honey Truffle, sorry, Truffle. A little bit goes a long way, trust me, don't joke with it, okay? NYX Professional Makeup Brush. The secret to a flawless face, the secret, the basic secret, when you have the right tools, when I mean tools, the right beauty blender, the right foundation brush, eyeshadow brush, powder brush, contour brush, trust me, baby girl, you can get life struggling. You're gonna get it at a snap of finger. But when you use the wrong tools, you never achieve that perfect flawless face you want to achieve. All right, Look out for the perfect choose. It means a lot. It brings a lot of difference. Okay, it brings a lot of difference. Time you blend in your highlight, make sure you go in with your contour brush to blend around the highlight. Don't just go ahead and set it with powder. Make sure you blend it around so that you can have really that shadow. You see how it blends so flawlessly? My contour brush, I'm just going to talking about, okay, bring it down. Bring it down. That's our new logo. Bring it down. Bring it down means you have to turn it down a little bit. It's too ashy, so bring it down. When I say bring it down, you know what mama's saying. I'm not going to repeat it always all the time. Bring it down. There you got a point. I'm going to go ahead and take my foundation brush, do blending, okay? To be taking the Queen CoverGirl Ebony Bronze, taking the 6+ brush. Use my face, I'll set my contour with that. Catrice Passion Fruits palettes. All right, I'm going to be taking this one right here, this shade as my blush. Is a blush, and I'm going to be taking this powder brush by Sephora. I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal. Wow, am I saying L'Oreal? So I'm going to take once again my Laura Mercier bronze powder. I'm just going to set all over my face very little before I go in with my highlight and lashes and all those remaining jazz, so we can finish up the look. I'm taking this beautiful champagne highlighter. I'm not going to be needing too much. I'm taking my Bobbi Brown brush, and this one is called, what is it called? Eye Blender. So I'm going to be taking my Infallible Magic Setting Spray from L'Oreal. I'm taking this shade, I'm just going to buff that under my eye. Sleek mascara. For lashes, I'm going to go in with the 5D lashes from Amazon. This one is in AZ09, AZ09 5D. Okay, in case you want to grab it, it's a very good lashes. I got it during holiday season, which is December last year. I think I've used a bunch of it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be popping on right now. So guys, I have 3 lipstick options, and they are from Catrice, and is long lasting. I'm thinking maybe I should go in with this one right here, and this one is called Famous in number 5. One thing I just hate about this lipstick, to open it, it gets sticky, you know, you cannot really do anything. So beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. So I'm going to use it to define my lip before I fill in my middle lip. And it feels super moisturized on the lips. It feels very soft. Normal lipstick, I think I have there 3 lipstick or liquid lipstick if I'm not mistaken, but I grabbed this one Christmas period. I didn't get time to use it, and I love the way it turned out too. I'm going to change my outfit and remove my hair tie and all those jars that need to be put in place, period. See you soon.